Hi, this is Shreyas Yadav. Today I am going to discuss one more new question based on limits. So the question is limit extending to 0 tan x upon x whole power 1 by x square is equal to p, then 96 times log p base e is equal to what? It is integer type question, my dear student, and you can see this question is asked in JEE Mains. So let us start with the solution. So the question is basically the given part is limit extending to 0 tan x upon x whole raised to 1 upon x square is equal to p. So it is finite limit. So if I'll apply the limit here, my dear student, then what I will get? Limit extending to 0 tan x upon x, as you can see it is what? 1, and limit extending to 0 1 upon x square is going to be infinity. Okay, 1 upon x square is nothing but infinity. So what will happen here? It is basically the type of 1 raised to infinity type. So in 1 raised to infinity type, limit extending to a fx whole power g of x is equals to f of x, sorry, e power limit extending to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. This is the formula to solve the limit. Actually there is condition, that condition is limit extending to a fx must be 1. The condition is limit extending to a f of x, this value must be 1, and limit extending to a g of x must be infinity. So here we can see this condition is going to be satisfied. So we can use the formula. So what I will write is limit extending to 0 tan x upon x. I'll treat this tan x upon x as f of x, and here 1 upon x square is there. Okay, yes. So I can write it as limit, sorry, e power limit extending to 0 fx minus 1, so tan x upon x minus 1 into gx, gx is 1 upon x square is equal to p. Understanding? Now what I will do is limit extending to 0, e power limit extending to 0 tan x minus x divided by x, I am taking the LCM here, is equal to p. Okay, now students, what you can do is e power limit extending to 0 tan x. So I'll use the expansion of tan x. What is the expansion of tan x? Tan x is basically x plus x cube upon 3 plus 2 upon 15 x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. So I'll use only 2 to 3 terms, then we'll get the idea what will happen here. So x plus x cube upon 3 plus x raised to 5, so the coefficient is 2 upon 15 x raised to 5 plus dot 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 minus x divided by x into 1 upon x square is equal to p. E I'll take here because e power the whole thing, so this is in power. Okay, so student, what will happen here? You can cancel this x, as you can see here, this x minus and this one is positive x, so it will get cancelled, and we are getting what? X cube upon 3, this x into x square is going to be x cube. So let us write here 2 upon 15 x raised to 5 plus dot 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 whole divided by x cube is equal to p. Then here I am getting e power limit extending to 0 x raised to 3 upon 3 into x raised to 3. This x raised to 3 will divide each and every terms. So here I am getting 2 upon 15 x raised to 5 upon x raised to 3 plus dot dot dot, and this equals to p. Okay, here this x cube will cancel, and here also I can cancel this, you will get x square. So it becomes limit extending to 0 e power the whole thing is in power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 15 into x square plus up to infinity or up to dot dot dot. There are so many terms. If you will apply the limit here, students, so this term is going to be 0 because x square is there and x tending to 0. So this term is 0, and after this all the terms are getting 0 because we have x as the multiplication. So all the terms are 0 except e raised to 1 upon 3, except 1 upon 3 only. So we'll get e raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to p. So the value of p is equal to e power 1 by 3. And what we have to find out? We have to find out log 96 log p base e. So 96 log p base e is equal to 96 into log of e power 1 upon 3 base e. As you can see, the value of p is here e raised to 1 upon 3. So this value becomes 96 into 1 upon 3 log e base e, and log e base e is equal to 1. Therefore 96 into 1 upon 3 I can cancel here. This will get 3 to 32. Okay, 32 into 1 is equal to 32. So the final answer is 32. So we can write here the answer as 32. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.